We'll analyze each phrase in this video, giving you background information and real-world examples that you may use. These quotations may be used as a roadmap for personal development, whether you're going through difficult times, need inspiration, or just want to learn more about Stoic ideas. Ancient Greek wisdom. It is crucial to investigate the complex framework of ancient Greek philosophy that influenced Stoicism in order to fully understand Seneca's ideas. The teachings of Socrates, Plato, and the Cynics, who emphasized the value of virtue, reason, and self-discipline, are the origins of Stoicism. These fundamental concepts prepared the way for the development of Stoicism, a useful philosophy that aims to support people in navigating life's challenges with moral integrity and resilience. These eternal ideas were captured in the works of renowned Stoic philosopher Seneca. His observations demonstrate a profound comprehension of human nature and the difficulties we encounter, highlighting the significance of developing one's character by introspection and moral behavior. Seneca believed that developing virtues like courage, knowledge, and temperance was a call to action for anybody hoping to live a happy and meaningful life, not merely something to be studied in theory. His lessons serve as a reminder that genuine strength comes from our capacity to remain loyal to our principles and regulate our responses in the face of adversity. Seneca's advice is more relevant than ever in the fast-paced world of today. His observations provide helpful advice for personal growth as we struggle with stress, uncertainty, and the demands of contemporary life. Through the adoption of the resilience and self-mastery tenets of Stoicism, we may develop an attitude that enables us to take on obstacles head-on and learn from them. Seneca's lessons are a timeless reminder that the path to personal development is based in the knowledge of the past, giving us the means to forge stronger character traits in the here and now. Stoic thought and individual development. Stoic philosophy is a potent foundation for personal development, and Seneca does a superb job of encapsulating its main ideas. Fundamentally, Stoicism teaches us to accept the things we cannot change and to concentrate on the things we can. This idea inspires us to develop resilience and inner serenity so that we can face life's obstacles head-on. Seneca pushed us to strive for greatness in character and to match our actions with our ideals, emphasizing the significance of virtue, reason, and self-discipline. We may become resilient and mentally strong by adopting Stoicism. Seneca's sayings serve as a helpful reminder that hardship is a chance for personal development rather than something to be feared. He thought that more than the obstacles themselves, what defines us is how we respond to them. This kind of thinking gives us the ability to see obstacles as opportunities to grow and develop a resilient attitude. We become more capable of handling whatever situation life presents us with when we learn to control our emotions and keep our cool. When you think back on your own path of development, ask yourself how Seneca's lessons may motivate you. Consider for a minute the difficulties you are facing and how you may use Stoic principles to overcome them. Are there any aspects of your life where you can develop resilience or practice acceptance? By incorporating these lessons into your everyday life, you may start along a road that will lead to personal development. Never forget that you are always growing and that every step you take will help to fortify your mental and character. Seneca helps build character. Seneca's quotations shed light on the significance of developing one's character by highlighting the idea that a meaningful existence is built on one's character. He promotes virtues like bravery, discernment, honesty, and self-control. These characteristics not only characterize us, but they also direct our behavior and choices in day-to-day interactions. Seneca believed that overcoming life's obstacles and finding real happiness required having a strong moral code. Courage is one of the main qualities Seneca emphasizes. This entails more than simply overcoming obstacles in the physical world. It also entails sticking up for your convictions and making tough decisions, especially when they are unpopular. For instance, in the workplace, being brave enough to speak up or confront unethical behavior may have a big influence on the atmosphere and promote an integrity-based culture. Another quality that Seneca highlights is wisdom. It entails making defensible choices grounded in knowledge and expertise. This quality may be put into practice by giving your decisions some thought, asking dependable mentors for guidance, or drawing lessons from past errors. This exercise helps you grow as a person generally and improves your ability to make decisions. Additionally, character growth requires self-discipline. It supports your ability to block out distractions and maintain goal focus. Self-discipline may be strengthened by engaging in simple daily routines, like exercising regularly or dedicating time for introspection. I challenge you to actively work on your character development while you study Seneca's teachings. Establish tiny, attainable objectives to help you incorporate the qualities you wish to develop into your everyday life. Keep in mind that developing your character is a lifetime process that gets you closer to your ideal self with each step you take. Mental fortitude and adaptability. Seneca's sayings are a priceless resource for building perseverance and mental toughness, especially when viewed through the prism of hardship. Seneca believed that difficulties and trials were not only roadblocks, but rather crucial elements of human development. He thought that the way we become mentally robust is by overcoming hardship. He believes that going through hardships makes us stronger and more resilient by helping us develop our character and fortitude. Seneca's main lesson is that we are more defined by how we respond to difficulties than by the difficulties themselves. For example, when faced with failures, we might decide to see these times as chances for improvement and education rather than giving in to hopelessness. Putting this theory to use practically may involve journaling about your everyday struggles and your solutions. This exercise can assist you in seeing trends in your responses and motivate you to go with future situations with a more stoic attitude. Seneca also says, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." This is a profound reminder. This kind of thinking might encourage you to rise to obstacles rather than run from them. Remind yourself that getting through a difficult situation will strengthen your mental toughness. Think about including mindfulness, meditation, or even daily thoughts into your routine to help you develop resilience through Stoic practices. By increasing your awareness of your thoughts and feelings, these exercises can help you deal with hardship in a strong and rational manner. You may turn obstacles into stepping stones toward resilience and mental toughness by adopting Seneca's teachings. Everyday exercises for Stoicism. Daily Stoic activities based on Seneca's ideas may make a big difference in your personal development. These are a few easy-to-implement practical strategies that you may include into your everyday routine. Begin your day with a morning meditation. Spend a few minutes every morning thinking about your objectives and potential obstacles. Consider the qualities you wish to exhibit that day, such as knowledge, courage, or patience. This routine helps you confront obstacles with a Stoic mentality and sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. The nightly review is another useful technique. Consider your day before turning in for the night. Think back on the things that went well, the difficulties you encountered, and your solutions. By reflecting on your experiences, you may find areas where you can progress and reinforce the notion that self-awareness is the foundation for growth. Think about starting a thankfulness practice as well. Jot down 3 things for which you are thankful every day. This small deed can help you become more resilient and satisfied by turning your attention from what you lack to what you do have. The secret to adopting these lessons is consistency. You will build your character and progressively develop a more stoic perspective if you make a daily commitment to these disciplines. Please feel free to comment about your experiences with these methods. What difficulties did you encounter? How did you navigate them using these tenets of Stoicism? Interacting with people may offer encouragement and motivation as you set out on this life-changing path. Recall that personal development is an ongoing process and that every little step matters. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of Seneca's powerful quotes and their impact on character building, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed how Seneca emphasizes the importance of virtues, such as courage, wisdom, and self-discipline in developing a strong character. His insights remind us that adversity is not just a challenge, but an opportunity for growth, helping us cultivate mental strength and resilience. By applying these Stoic principles in our daily lives, we can navigate difficulties with grace and emerge stronger. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from Seneca's wisdom. Your support helps us continue to create content that inspires personal growth and development. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on our channel or website. There are plenty of resources available that delve deeper into Stoic philosophy, practical applications, and personal development strategies. Whether you're looking for more quotes from Seneca, insights from other Stoic philosophers, or practical exercises to enhance your journey, we have something for everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the journey of personal growth is ongoing, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its relevance in our modern lives.